We love to take pride in the meals we cook, but cooking at home can be a lot of work. The mess, the time, and the endless search for the right kitchen tool can be frustrating and exhausting. Meet Prepdeck, your complete meal preparation system, designed for an efficient, tidy, and most importantly, enjoyable cooking experience. Prepdeck comes with 15 storage containers and a vast range of prepping tools that are cleverly hidden inside the unit, keeping things together but at your fingertips when you need them. The included accessories replace your common kitchen tools, and they attach seamlessly to the containers, so it's easy to prep, measure, and store your ingredients all in one motion. Designed with both functionality and beauty in mind, Prepdeck's magnetic enclosure doubles as the perfect cutting board, and it's detachable for easy cleaning. An array of color options means you can customize your Prepdeck at any time to match your kitchen or personal style. There is a built-in storage tray for your knives and other utensils, and a sleek tablet and phone attachment is available, making for easy access to your favorite recipes. Whether you cook often or occasionally, follow a recipe, or simply prep on the fly, we designed Prepdeck to support the way you work in your kitchen. And by the way, that storage tray, it's also a trash container. Whether you're the next master chef or new to the kitchen, whether you cook for one or many, Prepdeck saves you time and space and stress by giving you everything you need to prepare delicious meals in one streamlined and beautiful system. It's time to bring back the joy of cooking with Prepdeck.